Hello and welcome to my fourth video. This is my first video away from jewellery making and I'm actually so excited to get started. But this video is going to be showing you how to make a luxury face mask. So we're going to be doing a lot of hand sewing. We're going to be making a pattern from scratch using your own bespoke measurements as well. We're going to get this perfectly sculpted to your face. You are going to end up with the perfect face mask for you because you are in complete control. So this is really about you enjoying yourself, creating something beautiful from nothing, and just essentially looking after your well-being. So if you want to learn how to make one of these double layer and folded face masks, then stay with me because I'm going to take you on a very detailed step-by-step tutorial. We'll be making our own beautiful face masks. Survive COVID? Hell yes! Grab a cup of tea, put some music on. It's face mask time.